Alright, so this is a finished drill fixture with our drill guides. It's just a simple wood fixture, and that just goes on the bottom of a box. You just grab her, and she slides on, and that's it. So then when you need to replace the guides, it's just a cheap 45-cent bolt, but they last a long time. That's that. Okay, so what you gain with the grinder is faster RPM, so it's very crisp, nice holes that are drilled. There's no breakout. Like a regular drill only spins 2,000, 2,500 RPM, and that's pretty slow, especially when you're doing really small stuff. So you sacrifice a lot of torque, you'll stall it out, but when you have it running, you do little pecks, you end up with these beautiful little burless holes. So that's the gain. They're right on spot. And next one.